Alright guys, welcome back to Half Past 719. That's me. This guy. We got a do-it-yourself leather, vinyl, and repair kit. I am going to be repairing a little tear in the Ram. In the Megacab, aka Drunken Ram. So I got this on eBay. It's called leather. It's a DIY, which means do it yourself. Do it yourself. Leather and vinyl repair kit. Put that in the search box. It's real easy. Search box. Or pause the video, take a picture of that. I don't know. Pause the video, take a picture of that. Looking for a part number. I don't see a part number because it's probably the cheapest junk out there. Visabella, right there. City of Industry, right there. California. Made and packed for Visabella adhesive and sealant, which means it's probably Puerto Rico. Made in Puerto Rico. Anyway. Oh, there's a part number right there. On the bottom, LG0036WE1B. Alright. Haven't opened it. Oh, it came with this too, I guess. I guess this comes in the package separate. And I'm supposing I'm supposed to mix and be some photographer and make my own color. Oh, give you leather. Oh, they give you everything. Nice. That's cool. Alright, so, oh, nice. Some guantes, gloves. Go ahead and give you more color and paint and stuff. That's weird. But anyway, I got gray, so I'm probably just going to be using some white and black. And, yeah. I'm going to read the instructions. Let me go show you guys as long as the truck's unlocked. Hopefully the truck's unlocked. That bird. Wherever you are, birdie. You're going bye-bye. Okay, it's unlocked. Alright, this is what we got. Got this little tear. So, want to get it because this side really usually gets abused in trucks. So, I want to get it before it starts spreading. So anyway, let me go read up on it, see what I gotta do, see if it's gotta be hot. If it's gotta be hot, I'll wait 10 minutes and it'll be 90 degrees outside. So yeah, let me go read up on it. I gotta kill this bush. I gotta cut all this junk because my camera goes off every 30 seconds when it's windy. Because somebody's here, hey, somebody's here, somebody's at your house, somebody's here. And it's just that stupid bush. I can adjust the camera, but whatever. Alright guys, I'll be back. Sorry for my negativity of the videos, but it is what it is. I don't mean to be negative, but when you work with people and you answer comments for people that are just those type of people, I am what I am. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, people. So I had another cut right there. Kind of see it. So I guess, fuck the sun. There's a cut there, and then the cut there. So it basically said that if the cut is not all the way through, then all you have to do is glue it and use a little heating stick. So, because these were just basically cut through this plastic, vinyl, leather, whatever you want to call it, they were just cut through the actual leather, like almost separated the backing or whatever. It basically just didn't, it just cut a layer off of the vinyl. So I just glued it down. That's all they recommend. Glue it, let it sit, use a little heat thing to to basically dry the glue underneath, and then just let it sit for a couple hours, and supposedly that glue is flexible. Well, whatever, we'll see. But yeah, I didn't know I just needed glue. So oh yeah, I'll do another video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do, and check out the next video. All right, peace out.